If you have the ability to love, love yourself first. Self-care is never a selfish act. It is simply good stewardship of the only gift I have, the gift I was put on earth to offer to others. One of the greatest regrets in life is being what others would want you to be rather than being yourself. Don't worry if people think you're crazy. You are crazy. You have that kind of intoxicating insanity that lets other people dream outside of the lines and become who they're destined to be. It's all about falling in love with yourself and sharing that love with someone who appreciates you, rather than looking for love to compensate for a self-love deficit. It is interesting how often we can't see all the ways in which we are being strong. Self-love is an ocean, and your heart is a vessel. Make it full, and any excess will spill over into the lives of the people you hold dear. But you must come first. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. I took a deep breath and listened to the old brag of my heart. I am. A man cannot be comfortable without his own approval. Do not feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Set your life on fire. I now see how owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest thing that we will ever do. Your self-worth is determined by you. You don't have to depend on someone telling you who you are. Once you've accepted your flaws, no one can use them against you. Find your purpose and fling your life out to it. Find a way or make one. Try with all your might, self-made or never made. The hardest challenge is to be yourself in a world where everyone is trying to make you be somebody else. Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. This self-love is the instrument of our preservation. It resembles the provision for the perpetuity of mankind. It is necessary, it is dear to us, it gives us pleasure, and we must conceal it. If you're not someone who has a natural and effortless love for yourself, it's hard to let go of your desire to please other people.